Are you looking to revolutionize your presentation-making workflow? Have you ever imagined online trainings delivered by realistic AI avatars? Stick around to discover the essential features. This application delivers a way to produce videos with AI actors. They will present your information from your script. We're talking standout features that make production fast, professional-looking, and at much lower cost than usual. And that really makes a difference. And guess what? There's an amazing offer waiting just for you. Dive into the necessities of AI presentation crafting with the key features like text-to-speech. Write a script, choose a realistic voice, and have it converted to audio. You can also create triggers and connect them with animations on the slide. AI avatars. Select an avatar from the library and have it deliver your presentation. Choose from a variety of ethnics, age, style, and match it perfectly with your brand voice. Screen recording. Capture your screen and insert a screencast in the slide. This will help you to quickly produce videos with instructions or product demonstrations. Auto-translate. Have your script automatically translated. Choose a different language of the voice. Change the avatar and have the presentation localized in moments. Subtitles. Auto-generate captions for your presentation. Make it more accessible in a few clicks. This tool isn't just another app, it's a game changer. Introducing Colossyan, the ultimate solution for all your online presentations. Now this is where innovation meets efficiency. Now, let's break it down. Here are the pros and cons from real users. The pros. Ease of use. No matter if it's writing or importing a script, applying voice or syncing animations with speech, or recording the screen, the user interface has all the tools ready at your hand. This makes it accessible even to people with few previous video editing experience. Avatars looks. The avatars look realistic, move, and some can even have emotional expressions set. You can control the size of the avatar and use it in different formats, like head in a circle, getting more room for your content. Create own avatar. With little extra cost, you can record yourself and have a custom avatar with your voice and persona created. It saves production costs. Having to record an actor or yourself in a good quality and do all the editing would cost significantly more than utilizing AI avatar. It mitigates the resources and equipment cost. All right, these were the features almost 400 users absolutely love in their reviews. And now for the few cons. Avatar movement. The avatar points of view are limited. You can display its front view or utilize a side view for conversations. But the movement remains for a standing figure. Lip syncing. The lip syncing and facial expressions can sometimes be a bit out of sync with the script. This can be improved by further editing, yet currently it's a limitation of the technology as a whole. Occasional performance drops. Colossyan is a web-based application with no client application. Due to heavy processing happening on the background, you can run into occasional glitches. This is best resolved by refreshing the page. Those were the areas for improvement, sure, but nothing that would hold you back making your presentations. Colossyan has garnered a stellar rating of almost 5 stars from almost 400 users on G2. Now this is what success looks like. And with the annual subscription, you can now seize an incredible 30% discount. That's right, more value for less. Empower your presentations with Colossyan today. Don't just keep up, get ahead.